Good morning and welcome to my Vedanta classes. My name is Anil Pate. Today, continue with some phrases for practice that is little advanced. Marathi meaning I have already given, it's only for reference. So, without wasting time, we'll start one by one. The door was stuck, but he was able to open it. दरवाजा बंद पडला होता पण कसे तरी त्याने तो उघडला. आय विल नॉट रीड अगेन ऑल मराठी sentences. You can see on screen. I will read one by one. She is capable of passing the exam if she tries harder. She is good at guessing things. Can't you explain it more simply? That is the most magnificent performance I ever seen. Well, perhaps I should have handled it with some more care. No, one is to blame but myself. No one is to blame but myself. Yes, okay, it looks as though I have slipped up. I admit that I was absent minded. There will be serious consequences if you try to cheat us again. Next time I won't forgive this try this type of behavior. Next one. Next time I won't forgive this type of behavior. Let me warn you, don't interfere in my affair in future. You would better be quick or you will miss the train. I'm sorry to worry you with my problems, but I really do need some advice. I cannot make up my mind whether to go or not. Yes, but don't you agree that he is the best player we have? Well, you have a point, but he didn't do it deliberately. I think you have. I think you may be partly right, but nobody could have expected such things to happen. What do you think you are? Look, this is getting us anywhere. Nowhere, sorry. This is getting us nowhere. Okay, next we'll next go. Okay, next. Oh, stop complaining. You make me sick. Where on earth have you been? Are you suggesting that it should have that I should have apologized? I put trust on you, but you failed me. Are you trying to make a fool of me? Your mind is full with nonsense. Sorry about that. I hope you don't mind. Please forgive me for all this confusion. I'm sorry we have really let you down and there is no excuse. Forget it. I don't want you to feel bad about it. These strips makes these strips make your shirt look smart. I don't think I have ever seen anything quite so good. Most of it was very good, but some parts were rather dull. All parts of it are okay, but on the whole, there is a much that you can do it improve it. I think you behave very badly towards them. I think you should have explained it to them in person. Give them a kilo of apples, pick out big one please. I would like 2 kilo of tomato. They must have no spoiled spots in them. There is no doubt that he comes from a rich family. I am in two minds whether to accept it or not. Oh, that reminds, has he given you the key of the house? We will go for next. The potatoes sold are the potatoes you sold me are full of spoiled spots. I hate contradict you, but I think you are wrong. I hardly know her. When you reach the supermarket, then turn sharp left and then you see my house. He is a balanced person and makes sensible decisions. You have no right to order me. I have no faith in modern medicine. He is very good at persuading people to believe what he says. She is very clever woman and can understand things easily. He is a man of considerable intellect. He understands and recognizes things quickly and thoroughly. He can easily handle situations that most people find difficult. Suresh sometimes lost confidence under stress. He knows his own strengths and weakness. I have a feeling that things are going to be alright. We will have to start work next month, assuming we get the contract. Okay, the next. This is the last slide. The best man to do the job is Sunil. She was first girl to come, last girls to leave. A very important thing that I want to you to find out its price. He has a lot of good qualities. He deserves admirations. This film doesn't have any technical merit, but it's very entertaining. This is not the most favorable time to start up a new company. The education system here isn't good as it is should be. Those suggest on those suggestions are not good enough to be accepted. He is in the expert in these sorts of work. I like the new job, but pay is bad. Arguments and quarrels like these only can be turned nasty. Many of the trades union leaders are not trustworthy. That's useless job, but he had to talk. He had to take it because opportunities were scarce. He was boring to sit there with nobody to talk to. He won't fail to notice things like this. He has expert eye. When he started the career, he had very honest, but he's become corrupt. Amazing enough, we got no response. Briefly, we need to work harder. Externally, he looked claim, but sorry, externally he looked calm, but he is very angry with him. Personally, I prefer traveling by train. Normally, I don't get up early in the morning. Strangely enough, he never told me about it. Truthfully, I don't know anything about it. So this is the last slide of pages. You can see there are some certain technical problem in video, or you can see the slides may not be clear, but I have already told you this class is situated at village, so there are no certain expert IT expert. So what I have done, whichever is possible way I can deliver it, I have delivered it. So is there anything you can I would definitely suggest what I can improve better to have better understanding, and can have a more video, or can have a very clear video to be uploaded. Again, I am reminding you, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe again. Thank you and good day.